Hey lovelies, hope you are doing super fabulously today. So I'm going to talk to you about face mist. What is it? Why do we use it? And what are the skincare benefits of using face mist in our skincare regime and in our makeup regime? There are loads there on the market to choose from. I think the most important place to start is to understanding your skin type. So, for example, if you have really dry, dehydrated skin, you're going to want to choose a skin hydrating mist that's going to drip feed your skin full of the most delicious ingredients, and a mist that's going to hydrate your skin, plump it up, maybe even one that's got some hydrating oils in that really help to lock in the moisture on your skin. Another key ingredient to look for when you're looking for a skin mist for dehydrated skin is hyaluronic acid. And as we know, hyaluronic acid is a really great ingredient to use to help to plump up the skin and drip feed it and nourish it and just make it feel hydrated all day long. So I have an array of different products in front of you. I tried taking a picture of holding them all, but it's actually impossible. But these are all of the ones that I have here. I'll go through a few of them. So this one is one of my favourite ones that I use on all of my clients. So this is by Tatcha, and this is called the Luminous Dewey Mist for normal to dry skin. So if the directions of this one is to shake it, mist it onto the face, and you can put it over your makeup or you can put it under your makeup. What's really nice is to keep one of these in your handbag if you work in town and in an office, or whether you're just out for the day, because what can happen to your skin as the day goes on is that your skin can become very dehydrated and your makeup then becomes quite flat. So if you mist your face, I've got quite fresh makeup today, so it's not a good example, but if you then mist your face, you're then putting the moisture back into your skin and it freshens the makeup up for you without having to do too much. The second one that I love using is by Evolve Beauty. Don't know if you can see that one. So this is their Daily Defense Moisture Mist for all skin types with prebiotic prickly pear and hyaluronic acid. So what this skin mist is going to do is to really help protect your skin from the environment outside, and it's going to infuse your skin with hyaluronic acid as well to drip feed the skin. You may not get the luminous glow that you get with Tatcha, but this is more of a skin defense. So if you're going into town every day and you're around a lot of pollution, this is a great one to use. You can always put Tatcha over the top if you want to. The next two mists that I like to use are by PIXI. They need a bit of a shake, because as you can see, this has got the oil in. So this is their glow mist with propolis and argan oil. This is really going to give you that glossy glow. So if you suffer from oiliness, I'd say perhaps avoid this one. The hydrating mist is one with hyaluronic acid and black oat in it. So this is to use every day, all through the day, whenever you really want to use it. And it helps by trapping the moisture onto the skin. So once you've done your skincare, spray this all over your face and it will help to lock in all of that moisture, and then put it on over your makeup as well. These are not, by the way, designed to keep your makeup in place. These are just hydrating skin mists, or mists that are going to help with protecting your skin. So I'm going to put on the glow mist. Let's see what it says on the back of this one. Enriched with 21 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera and fruit extracts. So you can use it before makeup to hydrate, protect and nourish. After makeup to set, adds a dewy finish and protect. So this one is claiming that it can set the makeup. I just have my two favourites that I love as well. And anytime refreshing makeup hydrates and adds a glow. I'm going to see what this one says. So the Milky Mist actually doesn't claim that it can set your makeup, But interestingly, it says at night time it is the perfect layer of moisture. So actually I didn't know you could use this at night time, so that's a really, really nice one. Here we go. Let's pop this all over my face. So that's to help hydrate and set my makeup and give me the oils back that I need. I mean, I'm going to be literally like the glossiest person there. The other one I have, which is very used, is by James Reed. This is actually a tanning mist, which is their rose tanning mist. I've just used it quite a lot, so you can't see anything on it. And this mist helps to hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, but it tans your skin as the day goes on. So I don't like using fake tan lotions and stuff on my face because I just don't. I love the tanning mist because it you know, even if I've done my makeup, so I've done my makeup now, I'm going to spray this all over. Don't forget your neck as well. And what will happen, it smells so nice with the rose. What will happen as the day goes on is that my face will start getting more sun-kissed and just looking not grey as we go into the winter when we haven't had the sun. So loads of different ones to choose from. Just, you know, if your skin is quite oily, I mean, maybe opt for the Evolve one because it's not going to make you too oily. But there are just loads to go for. I would say, guys, pick one, try it, and see if your skin gets on with it. I think a really, really safe bet is going to be Tatcha, because it's normal to dry skin, and also the Hydrating Milky Mist by PIXI. And PIXI do loads of other mists as well, guys. I just don't have them all. So have a look on the website of all of the brands and see which one takes your fancy. Let me know which one you get on with, and if you've got any questions about skin mists, and obviously let me know. So most importantly, hydrate, drip feed that skin, lock in the moisture after your skincare, and in some cases you can also set your makeup with those skin mists as well. Now, the other two that I was going to show you, but I'm going to do a separate video on it, is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and the Urban Decay All Nighter. These are amazing skin mists, but they're more, although they have got nourishing skincare benefits in them, they are more for setting your makeup. So I'm going to talk about that in another video, and you can have a little search about my favourite setting sprays as well. But this one particular by Charlotte Tilbury does give a really lovely finish to the skin anyway, so you could use that even if you're not setting your makeup. It does drip feed the skin full of moisture. I hope that's been really, really helpful. There is actually another one. I'm so sorry, I totally forgot to tell you about it, and I haven't got it here, but it's by Caudalie. Caudalie do a really lovely hydrating skin mist as well, and it smells divine. It's very refreshing, and if you're sitting in an office that's got air conditioning, spritzing that throughout the day is just so gorgeous on the skin, and there's no oily effect on the skin. It's just going to hydrate it as well. So make sure you check the Caudalie one as well. I'll put the link below just so you know the one I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. Hope you have enjoyed my little misty face mist video. I don't know what I'm talking about now, and I will see you very soon. Bye.